Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale Zendesk for customer support step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current customer support operations. Identify pain points within your existing support system. Gather feedback from your support team and customers. Analyze support metrics to understand workload and response times. Establish clear goals for scaling your Zendesk system. Research additional Zendesk features that align with your goals. Consider using automation and macros to streamline support processes. Create a knowledge base with frequently asked questions. Ensure easy access to this knowledge base for your support team and customers. Implement ticket tagging for better organization and prioritization. Utilize custom views to help agents manage their workloads effectively. Integrate Zendesk with other tools your team uses to improve workflow. Train your support team on new processes and features. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement within the team. Monitor performance regularly to identify further areas for optimization. Make adjustments based on real-time data and feedback. Document changes and best practices to maintain a consistent approach. Evaluate the impact of scaling efforts on customer satisfaction. Stay updated on Zendesk's new features and industry trends. Continue to adapt your strategies to meet evolving customer needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.